Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast using brioche bread, only way. Whisk eggs, milk, sugar, vanilla, and a pinch of salt until smooth, then briefly dip each brioche slice so it soaks but does not collapse. Heat a pan with butter until foaming and cook slices 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. Serve warm with syrup, fruit, or powdered sugar for a comforting breakfast. Create a silky custard by whisking eggs and milk thoroughly, adding sugar and vanilla, and tasting for balance. For extra richness, swap some milk for cream or half and half, and keep the ratio gentle so slices absorb but remain intact. Let the custard rest briefly to meld flavors before dipping the brioche. Work one slice at a time to control soak and prevent sogginess while you preheat the pan. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more tasty guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to read recipes hands-free while you cook, with a glare-free screen and waterproof design for stress-free kitchen use. It fits in a drawer and holds thousands of cookbooks, which is surprisingly handy when your hands are messy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a non-stick or cast iron pan over medium heat and add butter until it foams, but does not brown. Place soaked brioche and cook 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden and cooked through, flipping gently once. Keep cooked slices warm in a low oven and serve stacked with syrup, berries, or a light dusting of powdered sugar. Enjoy each bite while warm for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.